In this video, you will learn about how to back up all the drivers in your laptops, mini PCs or DIY desktops. And you can restore the backup drivers after you perform clean installation of Windows 10. Okay, here is our mini PC basic specifications. With Wi-Fi Bluetooth, so its drivers are quite similar with laptops. From the very beginning, we will show you how to back up drivers. We will use command prompt CMD to do with our backup. The code of first line here is to create a new folder in disk C. The code of second line is to perform backup in the target folder that you created before. But here we will focus on devices of laptops or mini PCs which have OEM drivers. Especially after you finish setup of Windows 10 and get into the system for the first time. When the backup process is finished, you can copy the drivers to your pen drive or other external drives. Now we perform clean installation of Windows 10. We speed up to this process because it needs a long time and it is not the most important points. You can skip this process and go to the parts of restore drivers. After we finished all installation and setup, we finally get into a new environment of Windows 10. Then we can copy the drivers to disk C from our pen drive. Again, we use command prompt CMD to restore the drivers. If the code in the video is not clear, you can find the code in the description. The reboot is optional. You can restart the machine after the restoration is finished. We prefer to reboot by ourselves. After reboot, we can see that we cannot connect with Wi-Fi. When we open the device manager, we can also see that some devices have warning marks. It means drivers for these devices are not installed properly. Is the driver's restoration incomplete? No, this is because some drivers cannot be fully installed or fully work by simple installation. These drivers need extra operations. Here is one example. We need to put this notepad document into the system files and reboot to make the Wi-Fi work. Sometimes, we can't use a simple code to fully restore drivers. So in some cases, we still need to ask manufacturers or suppliers for some additional drivers or documents. After the second time of reboot, we can see that Wi-Fi work and no warning marks shown on device manager.